Guys, today's game plan, snapper, cobia, anything really, according to Terry. Yo, that's Terry right there. We're on his Tidewater, beautiful boat. But we're gonna go try to catch some fish, make it happen, and we're gonna have a good time. Guys, if you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I know it's been a minute since we posted. Today's the best day of the week to go. There's still a little bit of a chop, so hopefully the fish are gonna be active. A lot of water movement, that's what we want. Guys, let's get some fish. Let's go. Made it out here. We're going to try to drop down a pogie for some red snapper. How I do this is I run it through the eye, come back around, run it through the, if I wouldn't have put the weight in the water, this would be so much easier. Run it through the back, try to hide the hook from them, and then come through here. You just you know, make sure you don't have any scales on the tip of your hook. And then I pull tight. Okay, I guess I shouldn't have came through all the way on that one. Here we go. And that's how I run my pogies when I'm snapper fishing. So let's drop them down. There's fish down there market, so let's see what we can do, guys. It's probably a tiny too.
It'd be like a 12-inch snapper.
Right? Close.
Yeah?
No, he's
What you thinking?
It might be a keeper. Not a giant by any means, but
Oh, that's a keeper.
that's a keeper.
That is.
All right, guys. Well, our first American red snapper, the endangered red snapper, in the boat. Let's see if we can get some more. We're gonna put him on the bump board. Let's see what he is. He's gonna want to flop around a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah.
He's a keeper.
All right, we're gonna put him in the box, y'all. We need a couple more of them, and we'll get to it. All right, y'all.
It's tiny. We're catching snapper for an aquarium.
Yeah, just for the aquarium, guys. Look how big,
Oh my
look
God.
how small he is. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You need a picture with that
Yeah,
one.
I'll take a picture with this one. Lord have mercy. I think this is my PB smallest. I don't think I've ever caught a, we're just gonna let him go. I don't think I've ever caught a snapper that small.
Hey, that's one that you just leave on the hook.
Guys, cut. Oh, God. Real one? Oh yeah, real
it's
one.
a real one.
Get him up.
You just reeled it to the
Real.
boat.
Real.
Boy, he's slow reeling it to the boat.
God, that scared the shit out of me.
But I took his roll out.
Reel in the big reel.
Hold on.
No, you're gonna have to reel it in.
Tempted to back out of here. What you think?
Put some smoke on that fish. He's in that line.
I got him max drag, man.
Try to go under that line. Go, no, I'll pull this up. Okay, that'll work. Attention.
Here, I'm gonna,
No, just,
spot locks off.
okay. If this is a snapper, it's a stud.
I think he's out of this line if you wanna.
Just move this out your way.
It would be on the jigging rod instead of that one. Gotta take this off.
Big fish, y'all. Big fish. There he is.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Big. He's big. Bring him up.
That's an amberjack. Is it?
No, it's a
No,
Jack
it's a
Crevalle.
Crevalle.
It's a freaking jack.
Oh, man. That's bait.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, that was it. That was
All right, y'all check out that Jack Crevalle right there.
That's our makeshift snapper / amberjack.
Oh my God. Well, I mean, we thought it was a snapper at first.
And we thought it was amberjack.
Yep. And well, it is definitely a Jack Crevalle, so we're gonna just shoot him right down the water. He should take off. All right, let's try to catch a real fish, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe a 10-incher.
We'll see.
Dang. That's a big fish, eggs.
State record hardtail. I mean, hardhead.
Hardhead?
It's another little one.
No, he might.
No.
I don't think so.
Nuh-uh. He's short.
Well, the snapper are definitely here. He's a
I
little,
don't know.
he's a little fatty.
He might. I think he's gonna fall.
He's only gonna be 16.
Yep. Come back here, Sparky.
I don't care what anyone says either, man. The smaller ones just taste. Nope, not gonna make it.
An inch.
He's an inch short, aren't we all?
That's like redfish, you know, when it comes to redfish, spot red is the best eating. What you get, a bath over there?
Yeah, it's got bad.
Snapper bath.
I got that one. Feels like a better one, y'all. I got one too. Do you?
Doubled up.
Let's go, we're double. Cobia, Cobia, Cobia,
Oh, shoot.
Cobia.
Oh, that's a good one, too.
No, he's
No,
not.
that's a baby.
I mean, he's not bad, but
Yeah.
he ain't gaff worthy, he's net worthy. I say that at least, I don't know, he looked bigger right there.
No, I was going to say you look pretty good.
Good thing we're on the same side that troll murder is.
Right? I don't think he's gonna make 36. He might. You
You
know.
might.
He's like, oh, like that net. Oh, no, wait. He wasn't ready. He might make 36, I don't know, but his fork length, not total length. Putting that Speedmaster 8 to work, y'all. There we go. Oh no.
Oh,
I don't know. He's fighting like a goon. Nope, head first. If this ain't a keeper.
Meanwhile, I think I probably got like a 10-inch snapper over there on my line. Of course, the one time I don't.
It's when I make this long ass leader.
Lesson learned. You ready?
Oh, I'm hooked up on the outback line. Flat line. Flat line. Oh shoot. That might be a cobia too.
hold on. Watch out, Josh. Let me get behind you. Let me get behind you so I can get the net.
He's ready. Oh, we push pulled. All right. Fuck. That's okay. Oh, he just broke
off.
I lost this one. I tried pulling him in. We should just play that. All right, well, hey, drop back down and get some more.
Dude, that's a state record.
Oh my God. Go from catching a cobia. How? It was a whole pogie, bro. Ow. It was a whole pogie. I caught a fish.
Oh my God. Massive gaff top.
I hope not.
You just say when. I need to unspotlock him with you. Chase her down.
He's in that line. I don't want him to go to the front of the boat. God, dog.
Boy,
We need to get off. We need to go. Oh, big head shakes. We need to go. Oh, man.
Is that chum bag up?
Yeah. Everything's up.
Took off, man.
You want to fight it from the side?
He's done. He broke.
I think it was.
I don't know. Big fish. That's a fact. It's a big fish. Jeez, man.
All right, next time one runs like that, immediately coming off spotlight.
Huge fish. Not help. Hook just broke. Hook broke off.
And did my
Well, y'all, kind of gave up on the snapper. We got one keeper. We are now trolling. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, we had a blast, y'all. Hooked a cobia, lost it at the boat because the back rod was going off. It was just mayhem. And I did something dumb and I pulled when I shouldn't have. But hey, it happens. Had another cobia swim up to the boat. There was snapper everywhere, but they were all small. Threw one back that was on the edge. We didn't want to take a chance. But all right, guys, we just started trolling. Hopefully we get something, fingers crossed. If not, it's okay, but we'll get back to it. We'll see y'all soon. All right, guys, well, no luck on trolling. It's dark outside now, so we're heading back in. But I appreciate y'all watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We made a couple mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes. And, well, hopefully we'll get them next time. I love every single one of you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, everybody.